How to make money online in 2023 with Amazon affiliate marketing. Some of you guys have been messaging me about one of my previous videos where I show you how to make money with promoting items from Amazon using kit.co, and it has not been working properly for some of you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a revised version of the same method where I'm going to show you one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote these items to the most amount of people completely for free. Now actually, before we get started guys, I would like to tell you that all the videos and all the methods that I'm showing you and teaching you are something that I have tried myself and has seen results with. So if I'm showing you how to make money with a method and showing you the step-by-step process how to set this up and make it work, so if your affiliate marketing or computer skills are on a higher level, some of this stuff may seem mundane to you, but for complete beginners who never seen how affiliate marketing works, how it is done, these steps are crucial to learning the process from the bottom up to the top, climbing the ladder of the knowledge, because you have to start somewhere, okay? And based on my personal experience with starting something completely from scratch, with having zero experience and knowledge how it works, it's very important how something works at first and then go ahead and feed it to make it work for you. So just quickly hit the like button under this video to help me push this video to as many people as possible. Subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also comment down below and tell me what is your favorite flavor of ice cream. So if I ever decide to make a cooking channel besides money making channel, I will know what the recipe for ice cream to start with. Okay guys, so in one of my previous videos I have shown you how to make money with promoting items from Amazon that are themed for seasons and holidays, because this is the best way to drive traffic to something that's in high demand. That's usually when I do this method only, but in today's video I'm going to show you a niche that you can do all year round and it's still going to be making you money if you use the right traffic source in promoting it. So first of all, what you want to do to start making money from promoting items from Amazon is just sign up for your Amazon Associates link. To do that, just simply go to Google and you want to type in there Amazon Associates, hit search on that and go to this first result that's going to bring you into Amazon Associates sign up page. What you want to do is go to this site and click on sign up button, fill in all your personal information and sign up for Amazon Associates account. This is very important because without this account you will not be able to receive commissions from the items that you're going to promote, so it's very important that you get this account first. As you can see right here, the process is very simple. When you're looking at the basic blueprint, you just sign up for your account, start recommending items for sale and get paid for it. You can earn around 10% in commission by promoting items. That means if you're going to sell, for example, $1,000 worth of items, you will get paid 10% of commission, and that means you will get $100 for every $1,000 of products that you're going to sell. Now you can achieve this very quickly if you're going to be promoting items that are worth more money than just $10. So if you're going to sell, for example, $350 items, you will make $100 per day. Now if you have no idea where to start and what to actually promote, you can go for something simple, for example like watch for men. Hit search on that, and as you can see right here on Amazon, you can find literally thousands of different watches that you can promote and make money of, and some of these are going to be cheaper, for example like $14.99 or $22, $15 or something like that. But if you're going to sort these prices by high to low, you can see that you can find very expensive watches, and for example if you were to make sale on one of these watches that are worth over $45,000, for example let's say one of these pans out, then you will make 10% on $45,000, which means you will make $4,500 just for this one sale. Now I know this is very unlikely, so if you're going to scroll all the way down here and you find some cheaper watches, you can see you can find a lot of products that you are very likely to make a sale on because they're not costing that much. For example, let's say you will make one sale of this $970 watch. That means $970 divided by 10%, you will get almost $100 just for getting one sale on this watch right here. And I know this may sound very unlikely, but what you need to actually do is play the numbers game. If you're going to drive huge amounts of traffic to your items that you're going to promote, you are very likely to get one of these sales at least once a day, and making $100 per day just for setting this method up is very well worth the money, because then you have to just work on it for a couple of minutes each day or every other day to actually keep the ball rolling and making you money. So what you want to actually do to start promoting something like these watches, for example, is to go to Google and you want to search for kit.co. Just hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called kit.co, and if you've never been here before and never done this method, what you want to do is sign up for your free account. If you did this method before and you have your account, just log right into it, and with this website it's very easy to start promoting items in bulk. For example, if you're going to check out some of these kits, this one is selling car equipment and accessories, and as you can see this is just a bunch of products from Amazon that are put into this very neat little kit, and whoever's interested in purchasing car parts, they're going to stumble upon this kit. They can choose directly from the items that you have put into this group. So all you have to do is just put a couple of items in the same basket and promote it to huge amounts of people, and that way you're going to see some sales. Now what you want to actually do once you sign up for your free account is you need to link it to your Amazon Associates ID. To do that, just go to your profile profile, go to edit profile, and up here you can see the monetization tab. Just go there, and all you need to do if you're going to be promoting items from Amazon is just click on Amazon section right here, and you need to fill in your tracking ID for as many countries as possible, because that way you don't have to be targeting traffic for a specific country. And as you can see with kit.co, you can promote items from many different stores, not just Amazon. For example, if you are from US, you may know this one right here, or GameStop, Target, Home Depot, or even Walmart. Just go ahead and sign up for their affiliate program, use your tracking ID to connect it to the kit.co, and that way you can start promoting right away. Now to actually create your own kit and start promoting it, what you need to do is go to this plus button, click on it, and you can very simply create your own kit by just naming it something. For example, in this case, let's go with elegant watches for every day or something like that, and in this description you want to write something that's going to be describing what type of items you're going to be promoting. Choose a stylish watch from our collection for every day. Then just go ahead and add a couple of hashtags, for example, men's fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, or some hashtags that are going to make this kit accessible to whoever may be looking for it under these hashtags. Then just click on next right here, and what you can do is go ahead and use this search bar right here to search for products on this website without leaving it. But what I highly recommend is that you go to Amazon and you look for these products here, and then just choose products that you want to put your kit from here. To do that, just open the product that you want to go for, then copy its link, hop back to kit.co and paste it into this field right here, and it's going to find the product for you. Then what I highly recommend is that you go back to Amazon and copy this description of the product and paste it into this description field about the product here, and then just simply add to kit. And it's going to be added just like that. Then what you want to do is actually create multiple of these products in your kit, and to do that, just pretty much choose some of the products that you want to go with. For example, let's add this one right in there too. And once you add a bunch of these that you want to be promoting, for example, let's say I went with 7 for every day of the week, you can choose a different watch. So it's going to look something like this, and all you need to do now is just start promoting this kit to the most amount of people that may be interested in purchasing a watch from this basket. To do that completely for free, you've got many options. For example, if you go to Pinterest and you search for luxury watch, you can see there's many different pins showing these beautiful images of watches that are very much likely to entice somebody to purchase them. So what you can do on here is pretty much just click on create a new pin, and then you can just simply use the images from Amazon to promote these different watches. For example, go to Amazon and download this image of the watch and upload it as a pin with a description and the destination link to your kit.co basket, and that way you will start getting some traffic to it. Now pretty much if you're wondering if you can use these images to promote the product, the short answer is yes. You can use Amazon product images in your affiliate article, but you can upload them as they are. You are not allowed to edit or modify them. So for that reason, if you're going to be using these images from Amazon, just simply download it and upload it as it is to Pinterest, and that way you will not get in any trouble. Now another good source of traffic that you can use for this method is Instagram. If you go to Instagram, for example, and search for one simple word like watch, and if you do a little bit of scrolling, you can see some of these pages that are promoting these luxurious watches. For example, this one right here, that's called Watch Niche, and you can see it has 1.7 million followers, and pretty much all they do is post images of watches and people wearing them, so it's very easy to get content for such a page. If you're going to check out a bunch of these more by clicking this button, you can find similar pages doing this exact same thing that are promoting high quality pictures of these watches, and pretty much this one right here that has over 2.5 million followers, it's using images very likely to come from Amazon as well. Now this is not going to be instant source of traffic, okay? If you're going to be doing this method using Instagram, you will have to create your own page promoting watches, name it something that has to do with niche of the product that you're going to be promoting it, and then just go ahead and post a couple of these images from Amazon every single day, use the right hashtags to promote these images, and slowly over time you will build targeted audience of people who may be interested in purchasing a luxurious watch for a couple $100. Now to actually speed up this process and get a lot of followers from day one when you're going to set up an Instagram page just like this, what you can do is pretty much go to shoutcard.com and you can buy a shout out for your website. For example, if you're going to click on browse influencers, you can see for as little as $10 you can buy a shout out from one of these bigger channels that have a lot of followers already. For example, this one right here has 108,000 followers, over 108,000 followers, and for just $10 you can buy a Instagram story shout out with a link. So pretty much if you want to invest into this method some small amount of money like $10, you can go ahead and purchase a shout out with a link to your Instagram page from one of these influencers, and that will instantly bring a lot of traffic to your page, and if you do this enough over time, you will slowly build a very successful page. Now this is not going to be working for you from day one. You will actually have to invest time and effort into this, and if you are able to and want to, I highly suggest that you go for a shout out like this to boost this process right from the beginning, and over time you can see some very nice results. Now you can do this literally for any niche out there. If you want to do this for example, let's say fishing, you can set up a themed page on Instagram in just a couple of minutes, and if you start posting images from Amazon products, you will have literally unlimited content that you can post to promote the products directly from Amazon. Just go ahead and set up your kit on kit.co with fishing themed items, and you can use this exact same traffic source to promote it. Now if you're looking for some ways to make money on day one, for example if you want to purchase a shout out, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.